Welcome to this guide on the Viofo A139 3CH dashcam firmware update issues. This popular triple-channel dashcam features front, rear, and interior recording capabilities, making it a favorite among drivers concerned with safety and documentation. The Viofo A139 3CH comes with a comprehensive package including the main cameras, cables, adapters, and mounting accessories, all designed for easy installation and use. However, users have reported issues with firmware updates that can render the device inoperable, a condition commonly referred to as bricking. This occurs when an update fails and leaves the dashcam unable to function properly. In this video series, we'll explore the causes of these firmware failures, effective recovery methods, and strategies to prevent future issues. By March 2026, significant improvements have been made to address these concerns. Firmware is the software that controls your dashcam's functions. It's the embedded code that makes everything work, from recording video to managing settings. Updates are meant to improve features or fix bugs. They bring new capabilities or resolve issues that were discovered after the device was released. Failures often occur due to power interruptions during the update, incompatible or faulty SD cards, or software bugs in the firmware itself. These issues can lead to incomplete updates, leaving your device in a non-functional state. This is commonly called bricking the device. Viofo has acknowledged these problems and has been working to address them through firmware improvements and better update processes. Viofo has addressed the firmware update bricking issue through several key improvements. Firmware version 2.8.5 introduced enhanced update protocols to make the process more reliable. The latest version, 2.9.1, incorporates AI-assisted diagnostics that automatically detect potential risks before allowing an update to proceed. To prevent issues, Viofo recommends backing up all data before starting any firmware update. They also emphasize using high-quality Class 10 UHSI SD cards for reliable performance during the update process. Additionally, maintaining a stable power source throughout the update prevents interruptions that could cause problems. The brick dashcam is a device that has become completely inoperable due to a failed firmware update. Common symptoms include a boot loop where the device restarts continuously, a black screen with no response, or general unresponsiveness to button presses. Start with basic troubleshooting. First, perform a power cycle. Disconnect the dashcam from its power source. Wait 2 to 3 minutes to allow any residual charge to dissipate. Then reconnect the power and turn the device back on. This can often resolve temporary glitches. If the power cycle doesn't work, check your SD card. Make sure it's properly formatted for the dashcam and verify it's compatible with Viofo's recommended specifications. Use high-quality Class 10 UHSI SD cards to avoid read-write errors during updates. If these initial steps don't resolve the issue, you may need to enter recovery mode to flash new firmware. This section covers the advanced process of accessing recovery mode on the Viofo A139 3CH dashcam and flashing firmware to recover from update failures. To access recovery mode, hold the power and menu buttons simultaneously while the dashcam boots up. This allows flashing a clean firmware image. Recovery involves formatting an SD card using tools like Rufus on your PC. Load the recovery firmware onto the card to flash the dashcam. Alternatively, use the official Viofo Windows-based flasher app to safely flash the firmware through your computer. Be cautious. Incorrectly performing recovery can cause permanent damage to the dashcam. Only attempt this if you're comfortable with technical processes or if the device is still under warranty. First, download the correct recovery firmware for your Viofo A139 3CH from Viofo's official website or trusted community sources. Ensure you select the version compatible with your device model. Next, format an SD card using the FAT32 file system. Use your computer's disk management tool to ensure the card is properly prepared and free of errors. Then, copy the recovery firmware files you downloaded to the root directory of the formatted SD card. Do not place them in subfolders. Now, insert the SD card containing the firmware files into the SD card slot of your Viofo A139 3CH dashcam. To initiate recovery mode, hold down the power button and the menu button simultaneously until the device enters recovery mode. Watch for visual or audio indicators on the dashcam. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to flash the firmware onto the dashcam. Make sure the power supply remains uninterrupted throughout the entire process to avoid further issues. Once complete, the device should reboot normally. When official recovery methods are unsuccessful, consider exploring community resources for additional solutions. Community forums such as Reddit's r/dashcam and Viofo's official support forum often contain user-created fixes shared by experienced dashcam owners. Another valuable resource is custom SD card scripts available on GitHub repositories. These scripts can offer alternative approaches to recovering your Viofo A139 3CH dashcam when standard procedures don't work. However, it's crucial to exercise caution when using unofficial recovery methods. These approaches may void your device warranty or potentially cause additional hardware damage if not implemented correctly. To minimize risks, always prioritize solutions that have been verified by multiple users or those specifically recommended by Viofo support staff. This helps ensure reliability and safety for your dashcam recovery process. Dashcam technology is evolving rapidly, with future trends focusing on increased automation and reliability. Expect increased automation with AI-driven update checks that can detect risks before proceeding. Cloud-based updates will provide seamless recovery, reducing dependency on local storage. Enhanced security features will prevent malicious firmware alterations and ensure safe updates. To maintain firmware reliability, keep your dashcam's firmware up to date. Use reliable SD cards to avoid compatibility issues. Stay informed about best practices from Viofo and the dashcam community. These steps will help minimize update failures and ensure your Viofo A139 3CH continues to function reliably.